Springfield College MSW program had me explore different opportunities, which led me to nonprofit, working with children and families on a macro level. And I fell in love with the work, and I'm still to this day working with children and families of all needs in my community.
We have a really solid reputation in all of our communities, not only in Massachusetts and Connecticut, but I would say throughout New England. And so I think that speaks to the kind of training and learning that people are getting in the program.
Students choose Springfield College because we have amazing faculty. Also, the area of emphasis we have is that we believe in the advanced generalist perspective. So we want you to be well equipped as clinical social workers, but also we want you to be knowledgeable about policies, of theories, leadership. Someone might tap you on the shoulder and say, we want you to be a supervisor. So we have classes that will train you into not only being direct care practitioners, but also the ability to be a supervisor, be a manager, to be a social work leader.
Field education is a huge component in the MSW program. It's a way of experiencing real-world scenarios and being able to tie it in with values and theories that students are learning in the classrooms.
I think what's really nice about having a solid number of hours in the field means that you are prepared once you graduate. We were really excited this year to receive a $300,000 grant from Boston Children's Hospital.
The Thrive program that we have, and that is really an initiative that provides scholarship assistance, loan forgiveness, licensure prep, and it's really an opportunity for students interested in child welfare, working with families. So it's really looking to diversify the field.
The Humanics philosophy of Springfield College aligns almost perfectly with the mission of the profession of social work. So Springfield College's mission is to educate the whole person, spirit, mind, and body. And social work is all about the holistic and the larger scale view of not only how to support wellness in individuals, but also thinking about communities, families, systems. Our program, in addition to the college at large, the other part of the mission being living in leadership and service to others, is exactly what we're preparing social workers to do in the field.
One of my favorite quotes is by Marian Wright Edelman, and she says, "Service is the rent we pay for living on this earth." So I'm really, really amazed by you and your interest in being a social worker, because I value your energy, your excitement, and your passion for not seeing the world as it is, but really seeing the world as it can be. So we welcome you, we thank you for your interest, and we really look forward to partnering with you to truly make this world a better place.